Hello guys, hi, my name is Ronald, um, and I just wanted to actually record this video because I'm actually going to give you guys something special, actually a little secret that I've been using, a little method. You will say my own little case study on how I make between $50 to $100 a day, um, and I'm just feeling good today. Just want to give. um, So basically, what I'm going to reveal is I'm going to show you the actual offer that I've been using. And you can see here from the page here, this is from Clickbank. I'm going to give you the offer. I'm going to show you the website, how I set up the website. I'm going to show you the traffic that I use, free traffic. And you can start implementing this like today, like right now, and start seeing, you start seeing results or better results than me. So what I would like for you to do now is click the link below, and on the next video I'm going to reveal everything, not holding nothing back. It's 100% free.